Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today's short video is just going to show you a technique that I discovered in order to save or use up the paper efficiently when you have 6x6 DSP. So this is the Garden Meadow set, stamp set, and I put the coordinating dies on the left side with some magnet sheets, and they're called Garden Meadow dies. And this is the DSP for Meandering Meadows. Very beautiful watercoloring landscape scenes. Beautiful colors that I did. And I love just all of them. And then on the other side are some beautiful more watercolor pictures also. So most of the cards that you see is, and I'll do another video on this one. This is just for an example. Usually has more than 4 inches that you have to cut off of the 6x6. So all you have left is a little less than 2 inches. And then you can't really do like another card, a complete card. That was my whole big thing. So stay tuned for another video for that one. So I looked at this one and I thought, I think I can do 2 out of this. So with the 6 inches, I cut it straight down the middle, 3 inches, and then I cut it according to size because I used the die, the arch die that is here, right here. And what's cool about it is it actually cuts do you see the stitching on the outside and the inside? This is what the die cuts for you. So I'm going to use this for a different card also later. So basically cut this in half, cut it to the size of the arch. I think I made it, that's 5 inches. So then you get this look. So you have 2 from the one piece of 6x6. Isn't that cool? Yeah, and so this one opens up this way, and then inside is just a mini card with a little left over the edges that I cut. So I'll give you some dimensions on this. This is 8 by 5 1/4, scored at 4 to be able to put it inside card. So that was it. Just a really quick video for a good tip. Because I like to use as much paper as I can and not to get scraps, because I tend to hoard my scraps. I'll admit that. So I'm going to try to use more of my paper. So I'll use a little bit of this strip inside. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get more of these lovely video tutorials. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.